Hello, welcome to this video where I'm just going to take you through how to add a post, an article, to a WordPress blog. And we're using version 4.3 of WordPress, which is one of the more recent versions that have recently come out. The first thing to do is to log in. Simply add username and password and log in to the website. You see that immediately it changes. Here we've got the name, the logout button has appeared on our side there. We've also got this grey bar at the top, which allows us to do some quick changes, add an article quickly, for example, so that we can then start updating the blog. You can see here that I added a little article a few days ago, which has come up based on my 500 word blog post type model. So the first thing we're going to do is enter the back end, i.e. the dashboard of the website, where we can do a lot of the changes that will be shown to any visitors who come to the website. So we just hover over our website name with this little speed dial next to it, okay? Dashboard comes up, which is the one we want to look at. And here we are in the back end of this website. We can see comments, we can see some recent updates, a number of posts and so on. But what we're most interested here is to create a post. So if we look at the left hand side, we can see a lot of options coming up. What we're interested in is post, which is this little pin here, and we want to go add new. So you click add new, and then we load up into this little interface that allows us to add a new article. You see that many of the options available will be familiar to you if you're using a desktop publishing package or Microsoft Word or something like that. Italicized, bold, numbered and bullet point lists, quotation, centered and so on. So what we're going to do is just add in our article. So now here in this document I have created a little outline that I wanted to work with for my article. So I'm going to call it How to Age the Seaweed After Pulling the Dorsum. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm just going to paste that into my title. Okay, so there we have our new post title, and then I'm going to copy the rest of the text that I'm most interested in. Obviously I would have written a fully fleshed out blog post for that, and I'm just going to paste that in here. Okay, and you can see that we've got something coming in. So I'm just going to remove some of the spacings and so on. Make it bold, italicize the species name and so on. And that is my blog post. Obviously yours is going to be prose and fully written text. So what we're also going to do now is just adding a quick photograph just to support my blog post. Obviously remember, any media you do use needs to be your own, not just downloaded from somebody else's website. So we're going to, here to add a picture, we're going to click the add media button. Okay, and it brings up this page here. And we can drag our file. Now I've got a file on desktop which you won't be able to see, but I'm just going to drag it in. And you see that it says drop file to upload. You can see we've got all these images here from various sources. This is my image. If I just click that, you see that we have this bar on the side here, allows us to control the size and so on. We can put a caption, alt text, description and so on if you wish. Caption, Parvitia, Cana Iculata. I'll just copy that into there, and we just click insert into post. And you see here, we have our post with an image now. I'm just going to italicize the Latin name. And I'm just going to click preview so we can just see a quick preview of our post. Now you can see our image is in perfectly. Click that image, we get a full resolution version. We've got some text, easy peasy. Okay, so the final thing we're going to do is just add it into a category for the 2015 articles, and click publish, so that when we actually go and see it, you can see here at the top, view post, click that. We're going to see it, we're actually in the category of articles in 2015-16. Okay, so if we go to our main website, you see that my article has automatically appeared on the top there, and you can see that we've got that one underneath it. We only show the first two. So I'm just going to go back to my dashboard and just delete that article or post. And there we go. Okay, so that is it. How to add an article using a post in WordPress. No problem whatsoever.